Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to this has to be day number 2. Yes, day number 2, week 11, spring 2025, day number 2, week 11, spring 2025 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening classes. Let's begin. Let's head up properly. My name is Mr. Petit. Today is Monday, Tuesday the 18th of March, 2025. The subject is, of course, mathematics. And the topic is, we're just going to be doing some past paper questions. So the last thing we did yesterday, we looked at some equations, some linear equations that I was showing you all. Daniela Johnson, oh yes, Daniela. Glad she's here today. And today I want us to go over these percentage questions. So make sure I write this down. So let's say, for example, we have this question. We have number 1. Let's say we have 25% of 25% of 180.
My camera isn't turning back on.
Log out and come back in.
Yes, sir.
So let's say we have 25% of 180 and we want to figure out how to do that. That's the first one. Daniela, have you written this down? Where's Daniela? Daniela?
Yes, sir.
You've written this down?
Yes, sir.
Good. So how are we going to do this? Wyatt, Seth? What are we going to do in order to answer this?
Amber.
Good. Does anyone know? How are we going to answer this?
Can I try?
No, Najara, I think you know.
Oh.
Kaden, do you know?
Not quite, but kind of.
Kinda. How would you do this? We have 25% of 180. How would you do this?
You have to subtract 25 out of 180 to get your overall answer, I think.
No. How about you, Wyatt? Do you know?
No, sir.
No. How about you, Seth? Seth, turn your camera. I need you to turn your camera.
Hey, Mr. Big, I know.
Go ahead, carry again. Go ahead.
25 times 180.
Close, but not exactly right. Seth?
25 divided by 180.
Say it again.
25 divided by 180.
25 divided by 180? No. And carry again. You can't ask no one for help. Seth, how about you? Do you know how to do this?
No, sir. I'm not familiar with this.
Okay.
Can I try Mr. Big?
Go ahead, Legacy. Legacy, you need to turn your
25
camera. You need to turn your camera, Legacy.
Yes, sir.
I gotta let Legacy and Najara go. Go ahead, Legacy. How are we gonna do this?
Put 25 over 100 and put 180 over 1.
Okay, and then what are we gonna do after that?
Them.
Then we're gonna
Multiply them.
multiply them.
Cancel out the zeros. And
Okay.
multiply them.
Okay, that's how you think we should do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how about you, Najara?
I think it's simply because 25, every percent is over 100. That's why you have to put over 100.
Uh-huh.
And of means
multiply. So I gotta put 180 over 1.
Very good. Very good. And so what we're gonna do, you're gonna say, both of you are correct. So we're gonna say 25. It's gonna be 25 over what? 100. Of means what? Of means that we multiply, right?
Multiply.
Yeah. It's gonna be 100. I mean 180, right? Over what? Over
1.
1. Very good. And so at this point, what we're gonna do, we're gonna cancel out what?
The zeros.
Very good. So we're gonna cancel this 0 with this 0, right? So it's gonna be equal to 25 over what?
10.
25 over 10
And 18 over 1.
multiplied by what?
18 over 1.
18 over 1. Okay. All right. So the first thing we do, Daniela, the first thing we do is we take 25%, we express it as a fraction. So it's going to be 25 over 100 multiplied by 180 over 1. So 25 over 100 multiplied by 180 over 1. Then we cancel the 0. So we say this 0 cancel with that 0. So we have 25 over 10 multiplied by 18 over 1. All right.
Mr. Petit, I multiplied it.
Multiply
25 times 18.
Multiply 25 times 18.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when we multiply them, what do we get?
I got 450.
So 25 multiplied by, let me put this on. 25 multiplied by what?
Wrong.
You did something wrong? Okay. So we have,
I didn't add my placeholder.
okay,
I got my answer, Mr. Petit.
what you got?
450
Okay, so we have 20.
over 10.
So we have 25 multiplied by what?
Good afternoon, Mr. Petit.
Good afternoon. 25 multiplied by what?
18.
18. So we have 8 times 5. What is 8 times 5?
40.
40. Put the 0 down.
4 on top.
Put the 4 up. Okay. 8 times 2 is what?
16.
16. 16 plus 4
20.
is 20. Very good. Let me put the 0 down.
Placeholder.
Placeholder. 1 times 5 is what?
5.
5. And then 1 times 2 is what?
2.
2. Very good. What are we going to do at this point?
Mr. Petit, I got my answer.
What you got?
450.
450? Good. So 400 and 450. Very good. And so the answer is going to be what? 450
Over 1? No, over 10.
over what?
10.
So we multiply the 25 times 18. We multiply the 10 times what?
1.
10 times 1. Very good.
Mr. Petit, I have a question.
Go ahead.
When you get that, can you ever cancel the zeros again?
Only at the end. So we have 450 over 10, right?
Yes, sir. I got me in right here. Can you cancel them?
No, you can't. Oh, you can't cancel it unless you use maybe 2. 2 could go into 10 and 2 could go into 18. But I wouldn't do that. I'm just gonna multiply them straight
Neither
away.
450 over 10.
I mean right here at this point?
Yes, sir.
You mean cancel the zeros?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can, most definitely. So we're gonna cancel out this 0. So it's gonna be what? This 0 cancel with what? That 0. So we left with what?
45
45.
over 1.
45 over 1
over 1
is just 45. Yeah. So the answer is just 45. All right. And that's how we do that. So Miss Marshall, are you there? Yes, Miss Marshall.
It's birthday.
Miss Marshall, are you there?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm gonna let her do the quick recap of how we got 45. So explain how we got 45, Miss Marshall.
Sure. Okay, so the question is 25% of 180. So first we put we know of means to multiply. So first we put 25 over 100. We multiply that by 180 over 1. We cancel out the zeros, so we're left with 25 over 10 and times 18 over 1. And we just multiply as normal 25 times 18, which gives us 450. And
Mhm.
then 10 times 1 is 10. Once again, we cancel out the zeros. 1 divided by 45 is 45.
Exactly. So the answer is 45. That's how we got it. So 25%. Thank you, Miss Marshall. 25% of 180 is going to be 45. Joel and Gianna, do you all understand this?
Yes, sir.
Kerrigan, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
And Wyatt, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Seth, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and explain how we got 45.
Me?
Yeah.
So first we did 25 over 100 times 180 over 1.
Mhm.
Then we cancel all the zeros. Then then turn to 25 over 10 times 18 over.
Mhm.
Then when you multiply 25 times 18, it is 450.
Mhm.
And then we cancel all the zeros, and we got 45.
So the answer is 45. Very good, Seth. And Daniela, where's Daniela?
Yes, sir.
How did we get 45? Do you understand how we got that?
Yes.
Pardon?
No, sir.
You don't? Okay, so let me that. Class, I'm gonna give you all another one to do while I explain this to Daniela. So do this one on your own, number 2, and put your answer inside the chat. This is gonna be 35%. 35% of 180. Do this on your own, please, and put your answer inside the chat. Again, do this on your own and put your answer inside the chat. Madeline, you understand how to do this, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Daniela, the first thing we do is we have 25%. We put 25 over what? Madeline, put 25 over what?
100.
Not Madeline, I'm sorry. Daniela, we put 25 over what?
100
Very good. And of means to what?
times it.
Multiply. So then we have 180 over what?
1.
Over 1. Next thing we do, we cancel out
All the zeros.
cancel the zeros. And so we are left with 25 over what?
10.
25 over 10. Multiplied by what?
18 over 1.
Very good. What is 25 times 18? What is 25 times 18?
50.
Say it again.
450.
Very good. Do you understand how we multiplied it? To get 450?
Yes, sir.
Good. And so then we do 10 times 1. What is 10 times 1?
1.
No, what is 10 times 1? 10 times 1 is? 10 times 1 is what? What is 10 times 1, Daniela?
10.
10. So we put the 10 at the bottom. Then we cancel the zeros. So this 0 cancel out with what? That 0, right? Daniela? This 0
Yes,
cancel
sir.
with that 0. So we left with what?
45.
45. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right, so we have 35% of 180. Again, 35% of 180.
My answer is in the chat.
Let me check the answers in the chat. 63, 63, 63, 63,
Excuse
63.
me. Can
Yeah.
I explain it?
You want to explain it? Everyone
Yes,
got,
sir.
everyone, one sec, everyone got 63. Miss Marsha, do you think everyone is correct, or you think that 63 is not the answer? What do you think? Or you think we just have to do it and see?
I think I'm gonna have to do it. I did the first one. I did not do the second one.
Okay, all right.
Yep.
But everyone got 63. You think everyone on point, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think same so.
Seems so. Yeah. Hopefully they're not copying. Hopefully they,
Hopefully.
yeah, hopefully.
I don't believe in copying.
I
put my answer first.
You put your answer first.
can I explain it to show that I'm not
Najara
copying?
says, she put her own answer first.
If I copy,
Wyatt, did you copy off Najara?
Sir, I have my answer right in my
You have
book.
your answer right in the book. All right. All right. So let's go. Where's Seth? Seth did not answer.
I still try to figure out my answer.
Okay. So let's
I
go ahead and
still got because I wait totally different answer.
you got a different answer. Okay. So let's go ahead and do it. Kaden, what are we gonna do?
So first you're going to write 35 over 100 and 180 over 1.
Madeline, did you answer it yet?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 35 over what?
100
35 over 100
and 180 over 1.
multiplied by
180 over 1.
divided by 180 over what?
1.
Over 1. Very good.
Then you cancel the zeros, so
And we
cancel the zero in
cancel
the
the
1.
0. That's 0. Very good. Thank you, Kaden. Seth, what do we do after this? Seth.
We multiply
Multiply what?
35 times 18
So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put 35 down over what?
over 10
Over 10. Very good. 35 over 10. Multiplied by what?
18 over 1.
18 over 1. Very good. Divided by 18 over 1. Good. And then what are we gonna do at this point?
We do 5 times 8, which is 40.
We did 35 times 18. That's what we gotta do, right?
Yes, sir.
What you got when you multiply 35 times 18, or you didn't do it yet?
I still getting a very, very high number.
So we have to multiply 35 times 18. So let's go ahead and multiply it. So, so we have 35, right? Multiplied by 18. All over. What is 8 times 5?
40.
40.
Put the 0 down. Put the 4 above, right?
Yes, sir.
What is 8 times 3?
24.
24.
8 times 3 is 24. Plus 4?
Plus 4.
28.
28. Very good. So that's 280. Next, what are we gonna do? We're gonna put the
Put your replacement 0.
put the 0 there as a placeholder. 1 times 5 is
5.
5. 1 times 3 is
3.
3. Very good. All over. Plus.
I found my answer.
What is 0 plus 0? 0 plus 0 is what?
0. 0.
0. What's 8 plus 5?
13.
13.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's going to be 13. Put the 3 down. Put the 1 above. What is 2 plus 1?
2 plus 3.
3.
3 plus 3 is
6.
6.
6.
So the answer is going to be 600 and what?
30.
There, 630.
Very good, 630. So it's going to be 630 over what?
10.
10.
What we do 10 times 1 is going to be what?
10 times 1 is 10.
10%. Very good. Then we're going to do what? We're going to cancel, right?
Yeah, so
Cancel
cancel
all
all
the
the zeros.
Cancel this 0.
And your
This
answer is
0.
63.
And the answer is going to be equal to
63.
63.
63. Very good. How many persons got 63? Let me know if you got 63.
I did.
I did.
63.
I got
63. Seth, do you understand how you got 63?
Not very to me.
Yes, sir. I just didn't do it correctly.
Okay, so we're gonna give you another opportunity to do it. Gianna, stop playing. Stop it. Stop it. Every day you come inside this class and your chief goal is to play. If you're going to play, you don't have to be a part of my class. You don't. You and Joel, you're always playing, playing, playing. All right. Let's go ahead and do the third one. The third and final one.
I feel like I'm gonna get it
You think you're
first,
gonna get it?
but then I gonna forget to put it in the chat, so I get it last.
I think the jar is gonna get it first. That's my.
Sometimes I feel like she's cheating because, like, how does she do it so
Oh,
fast?
the jar.
Matilda.
What?
Jar, no, the jar is not cheating. Think about pushing the jar. The jar is cheating. She is very good. You know, in order to beat the champ, you gotta beat the champ. All right, Miss Marshall, all of the students got 63. How do we feel about that? I got it right.
I was shocked.
Yeah,
I was genuinely shocked.
yeah.
It's
Very good.
giving G.
Yes, very good, very good. So let's do another one. So we have that's 25%, 35%. Let's do 45%. It's gonna be 45%. Do this on your own, please. Again, 45% of 180. 45% of. You're gonna do this on your own. 45% of 180. Madeline, you didn't do no working. You did not do any working.
What to say?
You did not do any working.
She lose calculator. She lose calculator.
She had to use calculator. Madeline, that doesn't count. Do it the right way. Do it the right way.
I was wondering why she said it so fast.
You know Madeline. Madeline is the lady in the black cape. Madeline will find a loophole, buddy. Buddy. I don't even think I could do that fast.
I got it.
Okay, you got it.
Wait, how did she get before?
Leave it in the jar.
Bro, how?
The jar, that's unfair at this point.
How was that unfair?
Show
It's
me your
like we
working.
tried
At this point, I gave up on trying to.
Show me your working. Take a picture of
Sarah.
it. Take a picture of it. Take a picture of it and send it to me. Take a picture. Take a picture. Maya, take a picture of your work and send it, please. I
That's
need
all.
proof. I need proof. Maya, Madeline, take a picture of your work and send it to me. I need all three, please. Take a picture of your work and send it to me.
I sent it.
Let me see. Okay, good.
The jar is beating me. Like, from she beat me over a second.
I know, right? Second.
We type it in the same time.
Okay.
Karma
Trinity.
just wasn't on your side.
Trinity, do you understand how to do this? Right, Trinity.
Did you see my work?
I saw it, yes. Trinity, do you understand how to do this? Where's Trinity? Trinity, can you hear me? Do you understand how to do this question?
So
You sure? What number you on?
3.
Number 3. Okay. Let me see. Okay.
But see,
Carrie.
It's loading, by the way.
Okay. It's low. Oh, it's loading. Because I got Madeline one and I got Najara one. I did not get yours. Wyatt? Wyatt, I need to see a picture of your work, please. Carrie, again, I need to see a picture of your work. Carrie, again, 81 over 1 is still 81. Okay. Miss Marshall, you're saying something?
Oh, I was just about to say there's a fraction. I don't know
Yeah.
how to feel about that
Carrie,
fraction.
again. Carrie, again, you need to simplify it. Very good, Seth. Very good, Kaden.
Did you tell him to simplify?
Yeah, he put 81 over 1.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Matid, when you're ready to answer, can I explain it again?
No, Kaden. Kaden, you like to explain, man.
Can I have a chance to explain?
No, Najara.
What about me? Like,
No. No.
oh,
Y'all just get things right too fast. We can try maybe Daniela or Seth. Or who else? Or Joel and Gianna. I don't see your work. By the way, if you finish with this, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp again. If you finish, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I sent it.
Okay, thank you. Daniela, what's the first thing we're gonna do? Daniela? What's the first thing we're gonna do?
Mr.
40.
Petit,
Yes, Trinity?
I got my answer.
All right, good. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. What your answer is, Trinity?
81.
81, okay. Go ahead, Daniela, explain.
45 out of 100 times 180
Mm-hmm.
out of 1.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have to remove all the zeros.
Madden, you can't be eating unless you're giving us some.
Yeah.
You can't. You can't. No, you enjoying your food too much. It's
Yes, I need to.
It's I know, right? I'm starving at this point.
Me too.
Make 3.
All right, go ahead, Daniela. What are we
Go
gonna
through
do?
my whole school day without breakfast or lunch.
Yeah, you have the shadow because you eat in front of our face. We could see you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Petit.
Good
Excuse me.
afternoon. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, sorry, Seth just need to sign up for about 10 minutes and he can sign back in because he's going by his aunt.
Okay.
So he's going to sign in once he reach there. Should take him about 10 minutes.
Okay, no problem. That's fine.
All right, thank you.
Wait, can he send his work before you do that? Like, can he?
Sure.
Yes,
Seth,
ma'am.
come. Let's see your work. Quickly.
All right. Go ahead. What's her name? Daniela, what are we gonna do at this point?
Take out all the zeros.
Cancel the zeros. Very good. So this is gonna cancel out. This is gonna cancel out. Then after that, what are we gonna do?
45.
45.
45 out of 10 and times 18 over 1.
Very good. Times 18 over 1.
Now we have to multiply it.
Very good. It's gonna be equal to. So we're gonna multiply 40. Kaden, Quant, how are we gonna multiply 45 over 18?
So you're gonna multiply 45 times 18. So 8 times 5 is 40. Place down the 0 and carry the 4. 8 times 4 is 32, and you add that to 34. You place on your 34.
Wait. 32 plus 4?
Yes, so that's 34. 32
No.
was 4.
32, 32 plus 4 is what?
34.
No. Class,
Oh,
can you
not
help him?
34. Oh, it's 36. Sorry, got mixed up.
36.
Sorry, got mixed up.
Good. Continue.
And then you put your replacement 0.
Uh-huh.
1 times 5 is 5, and 1 times 4 is 4. And
Yeah.
then you add it.
Yes.
You place on your 0.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Place on 6 plus 5 is 11.
Mm-hmm.
Carrier 1, 3, 4 plus 3, it's 7, and add 1, that's 8.
Yes. So it's going to be 810
10
over
over 1.
what?
10.
Over
Sorry.
10. Very good. And Daniela, once we have 810 over 10, what are we going to do?
Cross out all the zeros.
Cancel the zeros. And when we cancel the zeros, we're left with what?
Our answer,
Which is
81.
81. Very good. Class, you all understand how I got this? Let me know if you all understand how I got this.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
So,
Sure?
I have a question, Mr. Batik.
Uh-huh. Go ahead.
Once is always like with cancel, will we always get a whole number?
You mean when what do you mean?
Like how we have like 5% of 180, and you know it always goes over 100, and that turns into 10. Will it always be like a whole number when we get an answer, like how we got 81, 63?
Oh well, it depends. It depends on how I divide. Each of these numbers are divisible by 10, so that's why it gives you a whole number, but you might get a number that's not divisible.
Or a number that can cancel?
Yeah, so you have to actually divide it. All right.
Yes, sir.
Good. All right, so let's move on from this. Let's move on from this. What time is it?
It's 5:07.
507.
507.
Do all y'all understand this? Let me know, please, if y'all understand this.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So let's move on.
Yes, sir.
Spiral drawings.
Can I go get some tissue for this?
Yes, you can. Let's go on to another question that I would like us to do. This one says,
I thought you were gonna put the black screen on for a second.
no, black screen is only for special occasions. All right, so divide. So
That's a special occasion. It is a special occasion. Your teacher's aide is here.
oh.
That's right. I like her. That's right.
Thank you.
That's legacy, by the way. All right, so divide. So we have 6 into 720. Okay. 6 into 720. I don't know if y'all could divide, but you'll see. You'll see today who could divide. Separate the sheep from the goat right now.
I got my answer.
You got your answer?
I got my answer too.
I got my
Hey.
answer.
Put inside the chat. Put inside the chat. Inside the chat.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
On
yes.
paper, we
And
got
the-
our answers on paper
Yeah. I know, right?
with the working.
I know, right? 13 into 179.
Am I the only one who called 130?
Point.
No,
She
0.4.
edited it.
I just forgot the zero. I was too hyped.
He's too hyped. Okay. You wanted to be first.
Yes, sir.
You wanted to dethrone Najara.
Yeah.
The dethrone.
Najara is like my enemy, but my friend.
Yes, that's a good one. I like that.
We have a word for that. It's called frenemy.
Ah, frenemy.
See, legacy is my new
That
best friend.
is
I was about to say the same thing.
Wow. All right, so okay, so let's do 6 into 720. What y'all got for 6 into 720?
120.
120.
I got 12.
You got 12? Okay, Trinity, I always see you make the same mistake. The problem is you're not bringing down the 0. When you bring down the 0, you have to do 6 into 0. Yeah, you didn't do that, right? That's your problem right there.
brought down the 0 though.
You brought down the 0, but you didn't account for it. So you have to say 6 into, how many times 6 goes into 0? And you have to put another 0. All right? You understand me, Trinity? So make that correction. Daniela, did you do this yet?
I'm doing it now.
Doing it now? Okay, so let's go ahead and do this, class. So we say 6 into 72. How many times does 6 go into 72? Well, let's take it one step at a time. 6 into 7. How many times does 6 go into 7?
Once.
Once. 6 times 1 is what?
6.
6. Very good. And so we subtract. 7 minus 6 is what?
1.
1. Very good. Next, we bring down the
2.
2. How many times does 6 go into 12?
2 times.
2 times. Very good.
Two.
6 times 2 is what?
12.
12. Very good. And so we have 12 minus 12, which gives us what?
0.
0.
You only put 1 0.
At this point, we have to bring down the
0.
0. Very good.
I got my answer for the next one.
Excellent. At this
Excuse
point, we're
me.
going to bring down the 0. Now, Trinity.
Put my answer in the chat.
Yes, we can. Trinity, where's Trinity? Where's Trinity? Trinity, where's Trinity? Trinity left. Okay. No, Trinity's right there. Trinity. Where's Trinity? I can't hear from Trinity. Maybe Wi-Fi issues. Adaya, can you hear me? Where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me? I can't hear from Adaya and Trinity. Adaya, can you hear me? Where's Adaya? All right, class, at this point, are we done? We just have 12. Are we finished?
No, sir. You have to bring that.
No, sir.
6
No.
times 0 is 0. Because
we have
everything
to-
else is 0.
We have to bring down the
0.
We have to bring down the 0, right? And so what that means is, since we already bring down the 0, we have to say 6 into what? How many times does 6 go into 0, right?
0
How many
times.
times does 6 go into 0? That's going to be what? 0 times.
0.
What is 6 times 0? That's going to be what?
0.
0. And 0 minus 0 is what?
0.
Very good. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay. So that's how we do it. So 6 times 120. So the answer is going to be 120. Did everyone get 120? Let me know if you got 124.
I
Yes,
did.
Yes, sir.
I get
Yes,
it.
sir. I
Yes, sir,
did.
but in a different way.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Mr.
Once you get
Teacher for
100
next.
Yes,
I'm on the
sir.
screen.
Once you get 120, that's fine. Okay, good. Miss Marsha, can you explain how we got 120 with the division?
Sure. Okay, so our problem is 720 divided by 6. So the first thing we did was we had to find how many times can 6 go into 7. We found out that it was once. Then we multiplied 1 times 6. That gave us 6. We subtract that from 7. That left us with 1. We brought down the 2. That made that 1 turn into a 12. And then now we have to find out how many times can 6 go into 12. We found out that was 2. Multiplied the 6 times the 2. That gave us 12. Subtract. That left us with 0. Next, we have to bring down the 0. Find out how many times 6 can go into that 0. And we found out that was 0. 0 times 6 is 0. So we subtract 0 from 0, and that left us with 0. And so our final answer is 120.
What do we call 120? We call 120 class. What do we call that?
The quotient.
The quotient. Very good. That's the quotient.
I
The
just
answer we get.
I
Nah.
used the whole 12.
Use the whole 12. Yeah, some people might use the whole 12. Right. Now, Daniela, do you understand how I got 120?
Yes, sir.
How did I get 120? What did I do?
You divide 7 and you got 1, and you subtract 7 over 6
Mm-hmm.
and got 1.
Mm-hmm.
Then you divide the 2, which got 2.
I bring
And you
down the 2
can't-
first. I bring down the 2 first, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
And then you put the 2 up there. Then you subtracted everything, which got 0.
Mm-hmm.
Then you carry down the next 0,
Mm-hmm.
which got you a 0 and another 0.
So we say
Then
6
you
times
put
0 is 0. Uh-huh. And then what we did after that?
you add another 0.
Okay, and then we subtract, right?
Yes, sir.
0 minus 0 is?
0.
Very good. In this case, what is the remainder? Or is there a remainder?
No remainder. Everything
sir.
fits in perfectly.
Everything fits in
Easy,
perfectly.
Mr. Petit. In my class, we only put 1 0 and not 2. If we put 2, our teachers get mad.
Which one you mean here?
Yes, sir. We only put 1.
Only put 1? That's fine. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. All right, so go ahead.
One thing that I learned, I remembered from a long time, that if the divisor and the dividend are like both like even, like the ending of the number is even,
Mm-hmm.
then there would most likely there isn't gonna be a remainder.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
go ahead.
I have to be right back. My dad is outside and I have to give him something.
No problem. So we have 13 into 179.4. How are we gonna do that? We say what? I mean, answer 13 going to 17.
13 times
1.
1,
is
right?
2.
So
You
13
have
times
no
1
height.
is? 13 times 1 is what?
13.
13, very good. And so we say 17 minus 13. 7 minus 3 is what?
5.
7 minus 3 is what?
4.
4, very good. 1 minus 1 is 0.
0.
So we say, we bring down the
1. 9.
9, very good. How many times does 13 go into 49?
4.
3 times.
3 times.
3 times or 4 times?
3
4.
times.
Let's do 13 times 3 is what?
39.
3 times 3
49.
is 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3.
3.
So it's gonna be 39. What is 13 times 4?
52.
Really? 4 times 3 is
2.
4
12.
times 3 is 4 times 3
12.
is 12. Put the 2 down, put the 1 up.
1 on
4
top.
times 1 is 4 plus
4
1 is
plus
5. So it's
5.
gonna be what? It's gonna be
52.
52. So that's not happening. So obviously we're gonna say how many times does 13 going to 49? That's gonna be what? 3 times, right?
10.
3 times. Because
3 times. I think that's right.
yeah. All right, so 13 times 3 is going to be
39.
39. Very good. Let me subtract. 49 minus 39 is going to be what?
10. 10.
10. Very good. Then what do we do at this point?
Bring
Bring
down
down
the 4.
No,
Sometimes you're supposed to bring down the decimal.
thank you. Put the decimal
Bring
point.
down the 4 with the decimal.
No, put the decimal point up first. Then after that, we do what?
Bring down
Bring
the
it
4.
down 4.
Bring down the 4. Very good. How many times does 13 go into 104?
8 times. 13
Times.
times 8 is
13
104.
times 8. Y'all sure?
I have the answer.
Yes.
Yes, Lord.
13 times 8. So let's say
3 times
8 times 3 is what?
24.
24.
24.
8 times 3 is 24. Put the 4 down. Put the
2 on top.
2 above.
2,
8 times 1 is
8.
8,
plus 2.
10,
10.
And so it's going to be
104.
104. So it's going to be 8. Okay. So it's
8 times.
13.8. So it's going to be
We were
104.
just doing these decimals dividing in class today as
Excellent.
practice.
That's excellent. So 104 minus 104 is going to be
0.
0. 0. Okay. All right. Do y'all understand that, class? Let me know if y'all understand that.
Excuse me, Mr.
Yes,
Batia.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Excuse me, Mr. Batia. Back.
Yes. Good. All right. So let's go ahead and do the next one. So it's going to
Mr.
be.
Petit, we just put these answers in a 509. Now it's 520.
I know, right? That's insane.
Excuse me, Mr. Batia.
Go ahead.
Your A teacher, Miss Marshall.
Yes.
She sounds like my sister.
Really? 13 into
Funny thing, she sounds like my sister when she was younger.
so this is going to be 1. So we say 13 times. Okay, so 13 into 189.8. So I want y'all to do this. I want y'all to do this. For this one, I will accept answers that are sent to me. So you have to take a picture of your work and send it to me.
Yes.
That's the only way I'll accept
You
it.
want
Take a
to send
picture
it
of it.
privately in the chat too? You want to send it privately in the chat?
No. I just want you to send it through your work. I want to send it, see it through your work, not to the chat. I did for this one. I want to see your work. Okay. Let's see you really doing that work. Legacy, you need to turn your camera. Your camera's not on.
Yes, sir.
So the first person that sent in their work will be the one who is first.
What do they get?
A cookie.
Yeah, no, I'm not really a cookie person.
If I don't win, can I still get like half of the cookie
No.
for trying?
No.
I'm first. I'm first.
Let's see.
You could get a digital high five.
I technically am first.
Yes, Maya is first. Yes, Maya is
Mr.
first.
Petit, it doesn't have to be right though.
It is right. It is right.
I sent my work.
It is right. It is right. Wow. So Najara used to use calculator then. That's why.
She was calculator?
Me?
Najara?
Not me.
I just playing. All right, excellent.
I sent you my work in now.
Very good, Najara and Maya. Okay, y'all could put your answers inside the chat now. Y'all put your answers inside the chat now. Very good, Najara, and we're gonna do top three. Top three. So we have Maya, Najara, and we need.
I sent mine.
Roscoe, I want to see your work.
My dad sent it literally just now.
Mr. Petit, I sent mine.
I got Kaden on. Okay.
Man.
So am I still getting the cookie or?
No, I lied with the cookie. Funny.
Oh.
Digital high five always works.
Roscoe, you have
I
to show
gave
your
you a
work in.
cookie.
Roscoe, you have to show your work in.
See,
Working
Mr.
is
T,
on
I
the
gave you a
side.
cookie.
Roscoe, you have to show your work in. That's not the right work in.
My working is on the side.
No. I need to see the right work in. That's like how I have mine. All right.
Mr. Petit, I gave her a cookie.
You gave a cookie virtually?
See it right there.
All right. Ah, there we go. There we go.
I successfully can't
That
start
works.
it.
Digital cookie, even better
Digital
than a
cookie
digital hand.
works. Digital cookie works. I like that.
I'll go get my own cookie.
Wait. Oh, how did you do that, Najara?
Press
It's
react
on the reaction.
Reacts. Let me see.
and
Yes.
Let me see.
send.
How do you do
You
that?
can use your
You see
laptop,
cookie, you
right?
could type the
So,
cookie.
Mr. Petit, I'll explain it, Mr. Petit.
Uh-huh.
So press the heart and then where you see reactions, press the dots, would say more. And then you like
Oh, mine's on the
search.
React.
Yeah.
Mine-
I
Press
don't
the
think
food
it's
option and then you'll see the cookie.
I don't think mine's having out of React options
You
to
don't
React.
see a heart? Would say
Nope.
reaction.
I only see
It's
chat
next to share
there.
screen.
No, it's not there.
no, because he's the host. It's not gonna
Like
work.
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah, I'm not allowed to do it unless I could spotlight for everyone. Let's see. No.
listen, it said you asked me to unmute myself, and I
No.
got a pin.
No. Remove spotlight. Okay, no, I don't know how to do that then. There's no way for me to do it. Okay, what y'all got for this?
14.6.
14 point what? 14.6.
14.6.
Good. So
Kaden accidentally sent direct message to me.
okay. Kaden, no direct messages.
Alright,
And it's not all right. It's either yes or no. So
yes sir.
all right. How many times does 13 go into 18?
Once.
Once. Very good. 13 times 1 is what?
13.
13.
So we put the 13 now. Then we subtract. 8 minus 3 is what?
5.
5.
1 minus 1 is 0. Bring down the
9.
9. How many times does 13 go into 59?
4.
4 times.
Let's do, what is 13 times 4?
So do you remember we did it?
13 times 4 was what?
52.
52. Yes, that's true. So it's gonna be 52.
You might want to recess so you guys.
Someone. So we say 52. So 59 minus 52. 9 minus 2 is what?
Excuse me, Miss Petit.
Yes, Lorenda?
I sent in my work a few minutes ago. I don't know if you see it yet.
Yes, I got it. Thank you. 9 minus 2 is what?
7.
7.
7.
What we do at this point?
Bring down your decimal point.
Put the decimal point right here. We're not really bringing it down. We're putting it up.
Bring down the 8.
Bring down the 8. How many times does 13 go
6.
into
6.
8? 6 times. Very good. 13 times 6 is what?
78.
78. Very good. 78. Let me subtract. 78 minus 78 is what?
0.
0.
0.
So your answer is
I got 14.6. How many persons got 14.6? Let me know, please, if you got 14.6.
I did.
I did.
Okay.
I did.
I did.
Very good. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I already sent
Yeah.
it.
I did.
Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
There is 10 months.
Excellent. Madeline, I need to see your work. Trinity, I need to see your work. Where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me? Where's Adaya? I can't really hear from Adaya. That's not good. Adaya, can you hear me? Okay, no, clearly you can't have from Adaya, so that's not good. Okay, so should we do like a difficult question or an easy question?
Difficult. Yes.
Difficult?
Difficult means you get
Yes.
Difficult? Okay, do
But is
difficult.
this time, are we sending it to you or in the chat?
Send it to me. I need you to send it to me. I don't want in the chat because y'all might. I need to see the work in.
Copy. It's copy.
They copy in the Wyatt. Copy, right?
It's copy. I do not cheat.
All right, so let's go ahead and let me give you all one. No one can get this right.
I think I have to get my
Is
thinking.
is that a challenge?
That is exactly a challenge.
Mr. Petit, I have to put my thinking cap on.
Yeah.
Mr. Petit, I might send mine first or second.
Okay.
Where's the black screen?
Oh yeah, the black screen.
Special occasion.
Yes.
Special occasions only. I don't think these are actually hard. I'm just playing. These are not hard. So let's go ahead and do this. Take a picture of your work and then send it to me. You see you got it first. Okay.
Mr. Petit, I just did this in class. I am the best at this.
Okay, we'll see. But Johnson's side. No, take a picture of your work and send it. That's what I wanna see that. I don't want to see no ones in the chat. Not until after you send in the work. Okay, next we have.
I got this.
You got this. Okay. Then we have.
We have to, since you're doing more, do we have to do all before
No, just do
we
the
send it?
first one. The first one. Just the first one.
Excuse me, Miss Woody.
Go ahead.
So my question is, it could go to the top, it could go like higher than 4,
What you mean?
like 2 to the power of 4. If the power could go higher than
Yeah,
4.
it could go higher than 4. Yeah. It could go. All right. Where's Seth? Seth, are you there?
I sent it.
Yes,
Najara? Let me see Najara.
No.
Mr. Petit, do you want me to put my answer in the chat?
Send it. You have to send it first and then put your answer inside the chat. So far I got Najara
Yes,
one.
sir.
Najara, you can put
Was
your
it
answer in the chat.
Was it correct?
I don't know.
I sent my work in.
You sent your work as well?
I think that's a no. So I think I got first. Cool.
Mr. Petit, I sent my work in. I don't know if it's right though.
You know it's right?
I mean, I did the steps.
I don't know if mine's right either.
All right, Najara, yours is correct.
Najara saw my answer.
Oh my gosh.
Very good. You can't put your answer in the chat until you send it to me first, Maya.
Mine is definitely wrong.
Eyes in your camera.
I sent it to you.
You sent it? Let me
Yes,
see.
sir.
Very good. Okay,
My
but
answer got deleted.
you could put it again. You can put that's my part. That's my part. Put your answer.
I
Kaden, put your answer. Well, Kaden, that's wrong.
Oh.
Ouch.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to fix it.
Excuse me, Miss Prissy.
Yes, Lorenda.
There was steps. Can I have the steps, please? Or can you send them to my mom?
No, this is our first time doing this for the day. Seth, where's Seth?
Yes, sir.
You can't put your answer yet. You have to send it to me on send your picture first, then you can put your steps.
Yes.
I haven't gotten nothing from Roscoe, nothing from Trinity, nothing from Najara. Go on to the second one.
Excuse me, Miss Woody.
Najara and Maya go to the second one. Yes, Trinity.
I got my answer.
What you got? What's your answer?
972.
Let me see your working. Kerrigan, I need to see your work. Joel and Gianna, I need to see your work. Legacy, I need to see your work.
I just sent the second one answer.
Can I get my mommy phone, please?
Yes, we can.
I just sent the second answer. So
The problem is your Wi-Fi is gonna hurt you, Maya.
no, it's not. It's not my Wi-Fi.
That's what I'm saying. I don't have it.
No, because my iPad, it's freaking out right now.
Oh,
so
it's not the Wi-Fi. Okay.
it dropped in water.
Oh wow.
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 Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go
You're supposed
ahead.
to put it in rice when it gets wet.
I sent it.
Go ahead, Madeline.
I sent it, Mr. Petit.
Yes. Go ahead, Madeline.
Oh, I kind of completely forgot
I
how
sent
to
it,
do
Mr.
this
Petit.
question.
You completely forgot?
I could help you.
I sent
Yes.
mine.
Mr. Petit,
Yes.
Is that gonna mean I go first if it didn't send to you?
Say it again.
No,
Is that gonna mean
That is
I go?
wrong, Najara. That is evil.
I still got it.
That is evil.
I still got
I
I
was
still
just
got
asking.
I still got first place, so yeah. My spot
There's
is
no
still
proof. There's no
crazy.
proof. I don't have no proof of that.
There is
I don't
proof.
have
What
no
you mean
proof.
there's no proof?
I don't have no proof of that, Maya. I only have
I, s-
Najara work. I don't
I
have your work.
sent it
But I don't have it.
specifically.
I don't have it. I don't have your work. So
It
there's
says
no
it
there's
says
no
2 blue ticks.
there's no
So
proof.
that means
There's no proof. I only got the first one.
But this isn't fair.
You have to use a working device. All right, let's do 3 cubed times 6 squared. All right, 3 cubed. How are we gonna do that? It's gonna be equal to
3 times 3
times
3 times
6
what?
times 6
Times 3 times what?
times 3
Times
3
3 times
times
what?
6
times
Times
6
6
times 6.
times 6.
times 6. Very good. So this is very important. Where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me? I can't really hear from Adaya.
Mr. Petit,
Madeline, yes.
I can use the bathroom.
Yes, we can. Madeline, where's Madeline?
Yes, sir.
Are you watching? So you can remember how to do it?
Yes, sir. After you did that step, I immediately remembered
Remember
what
what to
to do
do.
now.
Okay, good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna, yes, Maya.
Trinity.
Trinity, yes, Trinity.
I got my answer in the second one.
But you haven't sent me your work, Trinity, so I don't have no proof that you did it.
I did.
I sent in my work.
I don't see it, Trinity. I don't see your work. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna say 3 times what? 3 times what?
3 times 3.
3 times 3, and then we're gonna what? 3 times what?
6.
3 times 6. What is 3 times 3?
9.
9, very good. 3 times 3 is 9. Multiply by. What is 3 times 6?
18.
18, very good.
18.
And we bring down the
6.
6.
Oh, Mr. T, are you talking to a specific person?
Okay. So the first thing we do 3 times 3, which gives us 9. We do 3 times 6, which gives us 18, and we bring down the 6. Okay. Next, Seth, please turn your camera. You need to turn your camera, Seth. Right? Okay. So after that, what we do at this point?
Is it for everyone or
Anyone can
just
answer. Anyone can answer.
9 times 18?
We do 9 times 18. What is 9 times 18? Let's go ahead and do it.
162.
So 9 times 18, let's go ahead and multiply this. So yeah, your background is noisy, Roscoe. 9 times 8 is what? What is 9 times 8?
72.
70 what?
72.
Very good. Put the 7 down, put the 2 up. 9 times 1 is what?
9.
9 plus 7.
16.
70.
16, very good. So 162. Okay.
Mr. Petit, I sent in my work.
Very good. So it's gonna be it's gonna be equal to 100 and
No,
100
you're
and
not done yet.
I know I'm not finished. I mean 9 times 8 is 162.
Oh,
Bring down the
6.
6. What we do at this
160
point?
Multiply 162 times 6.
Very good. Multiply 162 times 6. It's going to be equal to,
972
so 162 times what?
times 6.
Very good. All over. 6 times 2 is?
12.
6 times 2
12.
is 12. 6 times 6 is?
36.
36. 36 plus 1.
37. 37.
Put the 7 down. Put the 7 down. Put the
3 on top.
6 times 1 is?
6.
6
Plus 3?
plus 3 is 9.
9. Right, so the answer is what?
972.
972.
Very good. How many persons got 972? Let me know if you got 972.
I did.
I
Can I mark
did.
that right?
Yes,
I
mark it
got
right
it
if you got it right.
I got that wrong.
Kaden,
I sort
make
of
the correction.
forget how to do it.
Kaden made the correction. Kaden made the correction. Kerrigan, do you understand this? Kerrigan, do you?
No, sir.
See my work for number 2.
Kerrigan, do you understand this?
No, sir.
No? Okay, let me explain it again. So well, the first thing I did was I did 3 cube. I mean, how many times I'm going to write 3?
3 times.
So 3, 3, and 3, right? You see that?
Yes, sir.
Then I have Seth, can you find a table to sit down on? You can't be sleeping on a bed or something like that. You have to find a table. All right. So 3 cube is going to be what? 3 times 3 times 3, right? And then 6 squared is going to be what?
6 2 times.
6 times 6, very good. Then we do 3 times 3. What is 3 times 3? That's going to be what?
9.
9. And then we do 3 times 6, which is what?
18.
18. And then we bring down the 6. Then we say 9 times 18. What is 9 times 18?
162.
Good, we bring that down. So after we do that, then we have to multiply the 162 times 6, which gives us what?
972.
Does that make sense to you?
Yes, sir.
Good. So let's go ahead and complete this. So the next one, we have 2 cubed times 5 squared. I need you all to go ahead and do that. 2 cubed times 5 squared.
I sent you my work for number 2.
Did?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's excellent. I'm gonna put number.
Number 2.
Who else already did number 2?
Me.
I did already sent it to you.
I did.
I did number 2 and I sent you my work.
What y'all got for
I
number
did
2?
number 2 and I
Are we
sent
gonna
you my work.
send the next one to you?
What y'all got for number 2?
200.
200.
200.
200.
200. Wow, y'all are fast.
The
Alright.
next one you're putting, are we gonna send that to you too?
Yes, the next one. First one sent it gets a cookie.
Okay.
All right.
If I don't,
Gonna
Just
be
put my brain mode
I'll give
on.
you all a cookie.
What kind of cookie?
chocolate.
A virtual.
All right, so it's gonna be
I'm trying to lower my virtual sugar intake.
so we say 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 7 squared. You have to send your take a picture of this and send your answer to me. All right.
Specifically, that's 3 to the power of what?
3 to the power of 3 times 7 squared.
Yes.
So for the second one, what we have is we have Miss Marshall. Can you explain how to do 2 cubed times 5 squared if you're there?
Sure.
Okay.
So,
But as you can
for-
see, they're all into this, right? They're really engaging.
yeah,
Always
and we
excellent.
getting right answers for us.
Say it again.
We getting correct answers.
Yes, yes, excellent stuff. All right. Go ahead, explain
So,
this.
so you actually did it a lot different than I did it. But I think we'll use your way
I know,
for the
right?
sake of the children.
Yes.
So 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's write it first.
Please.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes, Madeline?
I sent in my work.
That
No,
can't be true.
no,
I
you did
know,
not.
right?
No,
She did. She did. She
she's not
did.
sending the
She
cookie
did.
though.
She did. Put your answer in the chat, Madeline.
I sent my work.
I sent in my work, Mr. Petit.
I sent in my work.
I got legacy one first.
What?
uh,
I didn't press the send button.
all right, Najara, you got to give her the virtual
I sent in my
cookie.
work.
Very good, Severian. Wow, y'all are rapid. Gosh. Wow.
Concerned.
Listen.
I sent in my
I'm
work.
gonna give out the virtual cookie right
Yes, give her the virtual cookie, please. Give her the virtual
I will give out my virtual cookies too.
I
I
did,
gave
I
it
did
up.
as well.
I
Good,
sent
good,
mine.
good,
I
good.
sent mine. I sent mine. Mr. Pretty, you sent mine?
I saw it. I don't think Madeline needs any more cookies. Madeline been eating all the food today. I don't think she needs any more.
She didn't share none with us.
I know,
She
right?
didn't even share it.
I'll have the cookie. I want half of the virtual cookie.
I got a cookie.
I still want half of the cookie. I worked so hard for it.
Yes, she did. All right, so go ahead, Miss Marshall. Let's explain this, and then we gotta do number 3 because they're already done with that. So go ahead.
Boy.
Miss Marshall.
All right. So 2 times 2 is 4.
Mm-hmm.
2 times 5 is 10.
Mm-hmm.
And down the times 5.
Mm-hmm.
So 4 times 10 is 40. 40 times 5. And this is where
Yeah, I know, right?
this is where we just
40 times 10 is what?
4 times 10 is 40.
Yeah, sorry. 4 times 10 is 40.
40 times 5 is 200.
What did you do anyway?
I just multiplied, like I didn't lay it out.
Yeah.
That first step, I laid it out. I just
What you did?
2 times 4, 4 times 2, and then 5 times 5, and then multiply those two numbers.
Oh, okay. You did it. Okay, I got you. So you said you did 2 times 4, then you did 4 times 2.
Right. And then that's 170.
Oh, I
And
got
I did 5 times 5.
Okay. So you did 8 times 25.
Right.
Got you. Okay. All right. We'll stay with this way. All right. Who all got 200?
I did.
I got it.
I did.
I did.
Very good. All right. Now let's do the third one. Where's Daniela?
I'm going to win this time.
Yes, sir.
There's no more winning because Madeline already, you know.
We
already answered that.
Yeah, we did
Oh,
that.
I mean, didn't you say you're going to do the next one? Or am I just hearing things?
This is the third one right now.
I cannot write fast.
All right, so let's go ahead and okay, let's go ahead and Roscoe, you got to keep your mic muted because you're a lot of noise. Where's what's her name? What's her name? Daniela. Daniela, what we gonna do for this one? What do we do, Daniela? We have 3 cube. What is that gonna be?
3 times 3 times 3 times 7 times 7.
Very good. Excellent. So we have. Okay, everyone, we have to make sure take care of Daniela. She's the youngest in the class. We have to make sure that she gets it.
Is?
She is the youngest.
How old is she?
All right. Go ahead, Daniela. What else?
We 3 times 3 equals 9,
Very good.
and 3 times 7 equals 21.
Very good.
And then we bring down the 7.
Very good. Very
And
smart,
then
right?
times it.
Uh-huh.
Then 9 times 21 times 7.
What is
Then we bring
What is 9 times 21?
9 times 21.
Class, what y'all got when y'all did 9 times 7? 9 times 21, what y'all got?
189.
189.
189.
Times 7.
Times 7, very good. Times 7. We bring this down. 1 second, class, 1 moment.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Right, so the answer is 1,323. Did we get this? 1,323.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. Okay, good. So let me go ahead and
That's very fun today.
it's very fun. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's excellent. I like that. Fun and your learning is good. All right. Let me go ahead and clear all drawings so we could
Are we doing one last one?
one last one.
I think that you should bring out the special occasions.
Special
screen.
occasion screen. Okay. All right
Yeah.
then.
I'm
Perfect.
going to make sure that I'm already on WhatsApp. So
All right. Special occasions. All right, let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so you're gonna put your answer, you're gonna send your answer to me on WhatsApp, and then that will be acknowledged as the first one. We're gonna do top 3. Let's do top 3, right?
me.
Okay,
Yeah.
so find the
As long
box.
as I get top 3,
Oh,
I'm
we can
fine.
do top 4.
No. No, Najara. Top 3.
Top 5, please.
Now is
No.
legacy.
No.
I'm giving a picture.
No. All right,
How is
head
legacy?
goes. Put your answer. Send your answer to me, and then put your answers at the chat.
Let's see what is this.
Oh, I'll be here for like 2 days.
Me too. What is this?
Y'all don't know how to do this?
Is this 12
I
trillion?
never did this.
That's a lie.
I don't know
That is
how
a
to do
lie.
it.
Easy.
I
That is a
Never did
lie.
this.
That is a
But I
lie.
just no, it's not a lie. I
That
never
is a
did this.
lie. That is a lie.
What
We did
is
this.
this?
We did this
What
Y'all
is
question.
seriously forget?
They
I
forgot.
Seriously forget?
Najara,
Oh,
hurry up, do it.
I
Hurry
set
up.
my answer.
Oh my
This
God.
student. I won. I set my answer. Hey,
I don't know how to do this. I can't remember.
it's like 12 trillion.
Let's go. Very good, Maya. Maya remembered.
What?
Excuse me, Mr.
I'm
Petit.
sorry, I
Yes.
can't do this.
The only reason I didn't do it is because my computer crashed
Oh
and
my.
I couldn't see what you were writing down.
How does she get 14?
Uh, it's 14. All right, let me give you a hint.
Mr. Petit, I figured out I'm literally about 12 times 14 right now. I'm
Want me to
really
give you a
bad.
hint?
Give us a hint.
Yes, sir.
Divide
I don't even
168.
know it.
Second
Divide.
place. I'm in second place. I'm
Divide.
in second place.
Oh.
Divide 168 by 12. Divide 168 by 12.
I sent my work earlier and you
Very good. Very good, Lorenda. Wait, Lorenda, you didn't send no working. You need to show working, Lorenda. So that'll be legacy. Legacy second. Very good, legacy. Top two, top two. All right. Let's
I
go.
came first. I feel very up.
I sent
got
mine.
three.
I got 3. I sent mine.
Wyatt. Wyatt is not 12.
I got my answer.
Wyatt is not 12. Roscoe, let me check Roscoe. Roscoe.
I sent my answer first.
Roscoe, I can't understand this.
Mr.
Roscoe.
Petite, I sent him my answer with the working.
Where's Roscoe?
You didn't send it first, Najara. I got it
Roscoe,
first.
I don't understand this.
Then
Najara?
Yes, Maya did get it first.
All right, so it's Maya, Najara. No, Maya, Legacy, Najara. That's top 3, right? Yeah.
yes,
And then Brenda. Very good, Brenda.
deserving cookie.
Very good, Brenda. Then Kaden. Very good, Kaden. And
Coming
then
fifth.
Trinity. Very good, Trinity. All right, Miss Marshall, any final comments before we leave?
I didn't know. I heard about the Glat students. I heard they were smart, but this is like a different level of genius.
Yes, they are very,
That's
very
the
much
part of
so.
Wait,
Congratulations.
is this was Marshall a kid?
No, actually not. No.
I was wondering. She doesn't sound like one.
Yeah. All right.
I thought
So what I'll do is all those persons who I call your name, you can leave. So that would be Maya, Legacy,
Yes, sir.
Najara,
Thank you for teaching our class, Mr. Petite.
Thank you for teaching.
Trinity,
Very nice.
Kaden,
Bye. Bye,
Wyatt.
everybody.
Have a good day. So the rest of us, let me show you how to do it. We say 12 into 168.
And I remember how to do it.
Remember how to do it? You have to divide. Okay. So 12 goes into 16. How many times? Once. 12 times 1 is 12. Minus 6 minus 2 is what? 4. Bring down the 8. 12 into 48 is what? 4, I think it's 4, yeah. 12 times 4. 48 minus 48 is going to be what? 0. Okay. All right, are we done? Do you understand this? All we have to do is divide it. So once we divide it, it'll be t is equal to 14. Okay. All right, that's us for this evening. I'll see y'all on tomorrow. Have a wonderful evening, everyone. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye, everyone.
bye.